Hey everybody, this is Bill with Professional PDR. What we're going to do today is we have a 2018 Nissan Sentra, and we're actually going to put a small dent in this door so you can see the repair process from start to finish. So what we have is we have a window guard because we go down inside between the glass and the panel, and this protects the glass. Then we have a window wedge. This gives us a little bit of room to get the tool down in between the panel without damaging the glass or the door skin. So I'm going to try to put about an inch to an inch and a half size dent in this door and then show the repair process. So as you can see, you got to hit that pretty hard, and then there's actually a little small dent from the first strike, and then about a quarter size dent on the second hit. So what we have is a repair tool here with a pretty sharp tip because this is a high strength steel door, so you do need something with a little more bite to be able to get the metal to move and extract the dent from the vehicle. So we're working, pushing from the back side of the panel with very accurate micro pushes and manipulating the metal back to its original shape. So now I'm moving to the larger dent. The smaller one's already gone. What I have is a hammer and knockdown. And what we do with this, if there's any high marks or we push maybe a little bit too hard in the panel, we simply take the knockdown and tap it back flush. A few more pushes here, we should be done with this repair. All right, so that is the basic process for most, probably say about 70 to 80% of the dent repairs that we do here at Professional PDR. It's all done by hand, by trained technicians, and it's very highly skilled operation. So I make this look easy. I've been doing it for about 20 years. So please do not try this at home. If you have a small dent, or a larger dent, give us a call at 574-5678.